MedSkull.
Subscribe and turn your notifications on.
With all of the different stethoscopes on the market, it can be difficult to determine the best stethoscopes to meet your requirements. In this video, I'll tell you about one of the most used stethoscopes, that is Littmann Stethoscope. Littmann is the favorite choice of most of the doctors and medical students. Perhaps every doctors know the Littmann brand names. Littmann stethoscopes offers high acoustic sensitivity for exceptional performance when doing general physical assessments. It features dual tunable diaphragms and an updated design that is easier to clean and maintain. Practically, all the tubes used in Littmann stethoscopes are made of PVC. This material becomes harder after long-term contact with lipids that occur in skin. Littmann stethoscopes do not contain any natural rubber, latex, or dry natural rubber, either in the stethoscope parts or the packaging. These stethoscopes will cost around 7 to 10,000. Littmann is one of the most selling stethoscopes because of its quality and trusted by most of the doctors and medical students. So I don't want to waste your time anymore. You can buy these stethoscopes without any doubt. So that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful to you, you can subscribe to this channel and hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.